Dear students, welcome to my channel School Success. This video is about the poem The Kite by Harry Bain. Let's start by line-wise explanation of the poem. How bright on a blue is a kite when it's new? So the poet here begins by highlighting the brightness of a new kite against the blue sky, highlighting its rich appearance. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. So this line describes the kite's movements as it dives and dips in the air, snapping its tail, suggesting its quickness and liveliness. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Here, the poet compares the kite to a ship sailing with only a sail, indicating its smooth and graceful flight through the air. As over tides of wind it rides. The kite is portrayed as riding over the tides of wind, representing its journey through the currents of the air. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. The kite climbs to the highest point of a gust of wind, demonstrating its ability to rise and soar even in turbulent conditions, then seems to rest as wind falls. So, after reaching the peak of the gust, the kite appears to rest as the wind subsides, suggesting a momentary pause in its flight. When string goes slack, you wind it back. This line describes the process of winding the string back when it becomes loose, preparing for the next gust of wind, and run until a new breeze blows. So the person flying the kite runs until a new breeze picks up, providing the wind needed to lift the kite into the air again. And its wings fill and up it goes. Once the kite catches the wind, its wings fill with air and it rises back into the sky, continuing its flight. But a raggeder thing you never will see. The poet shifts to describe the sorry state of a kite stuck in a tree, contrasting it with the earlier image of the bright new kite in the sky. Here, raggeder means torn or worn to tatters. When it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. The poem concludes by showing the unfortunate sight of a kite caught in a tree, emphasizing the contrast between its former glory in flight and its current state of entanglement. So, in summary, the poem captures the joy and excitement of flying a kite from its initial flight in the open sky to the challenges it may face when caught in a tree. Let's have a look at some word meanings and try to make its sentences. Dive. Dive means to plunge headfirst into something. So, like the sentence could be the bird dove into the water to catch a fish. Dip. Dip is to lower briefly. She dipped her brush into the paint before starting her artwork. Soars. To fly high in the air with ease. The eagle soars gracefully above the mountains. Crest. Crest is the highest point of something like a wave or a hill. And the sentence could be the surfer rode the wave until it reached its crest. Gust. Gust is a sudden strong rush of wind. And the sentence could be the gust of wind blew the hat off his head. Flaps. Flap is to move up and down rapidly like wings or a flag. And the sentence could be the butterfly flapped its wings as it flew from flower to flower. Ragged, torn or worn out in poor condition. So sentence could be his old jeans were so ragged that he needed to buy a new pair. String. String is a thin cord or thread often used to hold things together. And the sentence could be She tied the package with a string before giving it to her friend. Now let us see the theme of the poem. So, this poem is about having fun flying a kite and how exciting it can be. It shows the thrill of watching a new kite soar high in the sky and feeling the adventure of controlling it with the wind. But sometimes things don't go smoothly, like when the kite gets stuck in a tree or the wind changes direction. This reminds us that life can have its ups and downs, but it's still worth enjoying the simple pleasures like flying a kite. Message conveyed by the poem. The poem highlights the joy of flying a kite, symbolizing the freedom and excitement of life's experiences. It highlights the thrill of overcoming obstacles and the satisfaction of enjoying simple pleasures. Overall, it encourages us to embrace life's ups and downs with resilience and optimism, finding joy in the journey despite challenges along the way. So, this is about the poem The Kite. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you and happy learning.